Achieving a perfectly nested sheet like this is simple. Let's see how you can use automatic nesting to get this exact result in just a few clicks. With your parts and sheets ready in the library, getting started is incredibly easy. Simply navigate to the Nesting tab and select the Auto Nest button. The automatic nesting panel is your command center. It clearly displays your complete parts list and all available sheets, giving you full control over every job before you even begin nesting. Fine-tune your nest by setting the part-to-part distance for your cutting technology and the part-to-edge distance to account for clamping zones. For the best material yield, always choose a large parts first strategy. You can unlock maximum material savings for any symmetrical parts by activating rotation and mirroring. This gives the algorithm the freedom to fit them together much more densely, which drastically cuts down on scrap. Once your settings are configured, just click Start Nesting. And just like that, your optimal nest is complete. The green contours represent your parts, while blue lines show the machine's toolpaths. Now, review the crucial material utilization data in the info panel. A higher percentage means less scrap and greater profitability. If your parts don't fit on a single sheet, the software makes it easy to add more material to the job. Simply click to add a new sheet from your library or define custom properties for a new one. This ensures you always have the right amount of stock for any project. Now, run the nest again to automatically place the remaining parts with the same optimal efficiency. As you can see, the leftover parts are now perfectly arranged on the second sheet.